In the world of cryptocurrency, earning passive income is becoming an increasingly popular way to make money without actively trading or managing your investments. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most popular ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency, including staking, yield farming, masternodes, and holding certain coins that pay dividends. First, let's talk about staking. Staking is the process of holding and locking up a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet in order to participate in the validation of transactions on that blockchain. By doing this, you can earn a reward in the form of a new cryptocurrency. This is a great way to earn passive income, as you can earn rewards without having to actively trade or manage your investments. For example, if you hold a certain amount of the cryptocurrency, such as Tezos XTZ, you can delegate your tokens to a validator and earn a share of the rewards. This is a relatively low-risk and low-maintenance way to earn passive income, as you do not need to run your own node or be involved in the technical aspects of the network. Another way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency is through yield farming. Yield farming is the process of lending your cryptocurrency to a liquidity pool in order to earn interest on your investment. This is a great way to earn passive income, as you can earn interest without having to actively trade or manage your investments. One popular example of yield farming is using a decentralized lending platform like Aave, Compound, or MakerDAO, where you can lend your cryptocurrency and earn interest on it. The interest rate and the duration of the loan are usually determined by the market, and you can earn a significant return on your investment, depending on the coin and the platform. However, it's important to note that the yield farming is a relatively high-risk and high-maintenance way to earn passive income, as you need to keep an eye on the market developments, interest rates, and the stability of the platform. Another option is to invest in masternodes, which are similar to staking but typically require a higher investment and give you a share of the block rewards of the network. This is a great way to earn passive income, as you can earn rewards without having to actively trade or manage your investments. Masternodes are also a low-maintenance way to earn passive income, but it's important to note that the initial investment is relatively high and it's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing. Finally, you can also earn passive income by holding certain coins that pay dividends. This is a great way to earn passive income, as you can earn dividends without having to actively trade or manage your investments. Some examples of coins that pay dividends are NEO, KuCoin Shares, KCS, and Binance Coin, BNB. It's important to note that all of these options come with risks, and it's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing. It's also important to invest only what you can afford to lose and have a long-term investment strategy in place. Additionally, cryptocurrency market is highly unpredictable, and even the most promising coins and projects can experience setbacks, so it's important to keep an eye on market developments and be prepared for potential risks. In conclusion, there are several ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency, such as staking, yield farming, masternodes, and holding certain coins that pay dividends. Each option has its own pros and cons and level of risk. It's important to conduct thorough research, consult with a financial advisor, invest only what you can afford to lose, and have a long-term investment strategy in place. Additionally, it's important to keep an eye on market developments and be prepared for potential risks. It's also worth noting that diversifying your investments across different methods of earning passive income can help to mitigate risk and increase your chances of success. For example, you could invest in a mix of staking, yield farming, and holding certain coins that pay dividends. This way, if one method experiences a setback, the others can still provide a source of passive income. Another important aspect to consider when earning passive income with cryptocurrency is taxes. It's important to keep track of your earnings and consult with a tax professional to ensure that you are reporting your income correctly. In summary, earning passive income with cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money without actively trading or managing your investments. However, it's important to conduct thorough research, consult with a financial advisor, invest only what you can afford to lose, and have a long-term investment strategy in place. It's also important to keep an eye on market developments, diversify your investments, and consider taxes when earning passive income with cryptocurrency.